The director of the CDC made a few stops here in St. Louis, and she stopped to answer some questions about the pandemic and mask mandates lifting. Thank you for being with us. I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Her first stop was at Washington University, with her last stop at Care STL Health.
That's where we find Justina Cornell live. She spoke one-on-one with Dr. Rochelle Walensky. And Justina, what did she tell you?
Yeah, and so the director tells me it was important for her to be here today, especially with her St. Louis ties. Now, she's actually a Washington University alumna, graduating in 1991. Now, she was there this morning, and this afternoon she toured Care STL Health, a federally qualified health care center where 1 in 3 people living in poverty gain access. Dr. Walensky spoke to staff, many voicing worker burnout and challenges reaching populations who haven't reconnected with healthcare services in the pandemic. She also talked about the mask mandate being rescinded in areas like St. Louis County and St. Louis City. Dr. Walensky notes the CDC's guidance says you can remove your mask if you'd like, especially since the COVID numbers have dropped in St. Louis City and it's fallen down to the yellow zone.
I do believe that this is the moment, as things are better in the country, when communities are out of that orange time and start coming down into those yellow and green times, that or metrics, that we can give people some relief in their mask wearing and some of these mitigation strategies.
Since she is a WashU alumna, she actually called St. Louis home, and she says one of her first stops on the tour was going to Ted Drew's, and we don't blame her. It was such a gorgeous day out. Reporting live, Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
Well, the city of St. Louis will let its mask mandate expire